I'm Encoder, and today I'm going to show you the easiest way to intercept traffic on apps that have SSL pinning. We're going to use HTTP toolkits, and the Android emulator from Android Studio, and the Dice FM app. So we have Android Studio open. We're just going to go over here, more actions, virtual device manager, and then we're going to create a new device. I'm just going to go for something low like a Pixel 6. I find with the newer stuff, like it's a bit difficult to we'll just call this, to do some of the stuff I want to do. Test, proof, whatever. And as you can see, that's the API version. Actually, we're just gonna go down to 31 just to make everything easy, and also have it downloaded. And then yeah, we'll just create. Gonna launch it, make sure it works. Yeah, so auto launch the first time, so just don't be alarmed. So we're just gonna root this emulator. It doesn't come pre-rooted, and HTTP Toolkit needs it to be rooted so that it can install Frida and like do the interception and the unpinning for us. To root the emulator, we're gonna use root avd. This is, just type that into Google. Go to GitHub. First thing you're gonna notice is it's archived. That's because they moved it to GitLab. Click on this link to get to the GitLab, and then you would just copy this, and then I'm just gonna put it in the downloads folder. I already have it here in my documents folder, but I'll just put it in the download folder so you can see it. It's gonna run cmd here. Oops. Okay, and then we can just do git clone and then copy that. Yes. Oh fuck. I made a mistake. You actually copy this, the HTTPS one, not the SSH one. I did do this before, so I don't know, guess I just forgot. So we just git clone and then paste that link. See, HTTPS, not gits. Fucking hell. Well, one second. Delete the folder just so I can show it downloading. Let's give it a shot. And now it's downloading. So that'll take a few seconds to download, and then we can start using it. But if you don't want to do that, as you can see, I had some issues with it. You can just scroll down and download the zip file. Right here, you can see it's a zip file. And then you can just unzip it, and you can use the folder as is. Right now we're going to use root avd to install to enable roots on the emulator. So I'm just going to open up a cmd here, and then we're going to run we're actually going to run this batch file. So we're going to run root avd.bat, which is just this bat file. Click properties, and then you can see that's the actual full name. Just run that. There we go. Alright, then you just copy this first you copy this first command. I'm just gonna copy that, paste that, and then let it run. And now your emulator is getting rooted. Just like that. It's pretty straightforward. So what this does is it installs Magix on the device, and that's important because you need to enable something in Magix to use this HTTP toolkit to intercept traffic. AVD shut down our emulator, so we're just gonna relaunch that, and then we're gonna enable some stuff in the. We're actually so close to being done. Like, thanks for hanging in with me. We're just gonna do something with Magix real quick. We're just gonna allow it to allow all SU calls, like all super user calls, so that HTTP Toolkit can easily work, I guess. Okay, looks like we're gonna reboot. Alright, so turns out Magix will reboot the system once it gets installed sometimes. I don't think he did that last time. In any case, we're gonna enable a setting here. It's just here in prompt automatic response. So this is just so that every time that HTTP Toolkit requests super user, it gets access straight away. We don't have to actually click it. It'll just save you a lot of time and headache. Yeah. For the meat of it, we search ADB here. We click that. Click that. Cool. It actually worked first time. Wow. I guess we'll just do. We were supposed to use Dice, but I think is YouTube. Actually, we'll just get Dice 1 second. So to install Dice, I'm going to be using APK Pure. I just downloaded the file from their website, their APK, and I'm going to run it. There's an ad, so I'll just skip this part. We just search for Dice.fm. Allowing installs from unknown apps. Okay, Dice is installed. Back to HTTP Toolkit, you see Dice right here. This doesn't work all the time the first time. Yeah, so you know that happens sometimes. Just run it again. And yeah, looks like it's working. And yeah, just so you know, this app really does have whatchamacallit, it does have SL pinning on it. So yeah, this is like a real lifesaver if you need to do stuff with the app. I'll just give you guys a free bypass here. As you can see, it sends us to send the auth request, and as you can see from here, there's no Akamai. And if you work it with this website, you know on the website there's Akamai, on the app there's no Akamai. That's the Akamai bypass. Really straightforward, you know. Yeah, pretty cool. Alright, that's the hopefully short guide. Hope you learned something. If you have any questions, ask away. Yeah, let me know where you fall short. I'll try my best to help.